Hi, I'm Leanne, and today I'm reviewing my Tineco vacuum.
This vacuum sweeps and mops at the same time. You can see that it just picked up a whole egg, lots of shredded cheese. I've vacuumed up spaghetti, wet pasta, wet oatmeal, anything that a kid would throw on the floor. My vacuum has picked it up.
When you're done using your vacuum, you put it back on the charger stand.
The first thing you'll do to deep clean is dump the water in the dirty water canister. There's a filter here on the top that can be replaced or cleaned as well. You only need to do this deep clean every few days. This is the water tank and you want to keep it filled. There's a max line and you flip it around here to fill it up. The vacuum comes with cleaning solution that you add to the water, but a lot of times I just use plain water. The last thing you're going to do is take the cover off of the roller brush. I like to set the roller brush out overnight to make sure it gets good and dry. Then I'm going to remove any debris that might have gotten stuck. All of these pieces can also go in the dishwasher. The vacuum also comes with an extra filter and an extra roller brush. Here's how the replacement parts for the vacuum come. They're all bagged up and you have 4 filters individually wrapped and 2 new rollers also individually wrapped. It goes in on this side and I'll show you how to install it. It's really nice to see a bright clean filter and you can clean it out with that window on the back. So I'm just going to pop open my vacuum and insert my new roller. It fits in perfectly and the cover goes back on top. Simple as that. To change out the filter, I'm going to pull out this old nasty filter. Gross. It goes right in the trash can. I really should have changed this filter earlier. And the new one pops in like that. I need to change these about every 3 months. And now I'm ready to go and I'm going to have a clean smelling house.